this episode we are sailing from Hiva to Hiva Ova to check in and are getting a bit of a surprise. Enjoying the neighbor island together with new and old friends, and are even invited to the most amazing dinner aboard this custom-built performance cruiser. Also trying to relax a bit before starting with some boat projects next week. And what's better than playing cards on a beach in paradise? In the previous episode, we left Hiva after being done with some small projects, fixing sails, inspecting the mast and replacing the broken halyards. Well stocked up on fruits from trading with locals, we are now pointing our nose towards Hiva Ova for checking in to French Polynesia. It's a short sail, only 45 nautical miles. Our arrival on a Friday to Hiva, knowing sailboats had to leave the bay in Hiva, where you can check in, it was no reason to rush. Arrival on the supply ship was the reason, and it's closed on Sundays and even a holiday on Monday. So we decided to go slow and to see if we could anchor somewhere calm and nice close by until check-in was possible Tuesday morning. Going on the leeward side of Tauata is also much better for both the wind direction and the waves. Big waves and strong ocean currents is now and then sending us on a surf going faster than the wind. And it might sound weird after only a short time at anchor fixing things that we really enjoy being out sailing again. Once again, we are greeted welcome by a bunch of playful dolphins, just as when we arrived Hiva. Some jumping out of the water around us to give us a show you can't buy for money, and some just want to show their skills in front of Be-Free's pressure wave. The spinner dolphins are really cool to watch, and it never gets old. It's such a cool experience. On the west side of Tauata there is several good anchorages with little to no rolling as we explore our way here. But for now we're gonna anchor as close to the port in Hiva Ova as possible so we can get done with the paperwork as soon it's open. And on our way we even gonna pick up Rita and Jan from Holmestrand in Norway as they have some engine problems.
Hello! Morning!
Such a pleasure not only to meet these beautiful fellow Norwegians, but also being able to help out making things a bit easier. Rita and Jan have so many great stories to share with us as they have been sailing here before. This time with their sporty boat, which they even anchored without a working engine. And for me, to speak a bit Norwegian with my new friend was also a pretty good feeling after such long time away from home. Being lifetime sailors and doing racing back home from our neighbor cities, it did not take a long time to not only connect, but also finding out we had a lot of friends and things in common. Yes. So we are on our way to check in here in Hiva Ova. So let's see. Should be pretty easy and straightforward process with the normal papers, ship papers, and it's French. So it's, even though it's in Polynesia, it's still French and almost as easy. In the French island you can do it on a computer by yourself, but here it's supposed to be quite fast as well. So let's find out. There's not much space for Be Free inside here, and even understandable, sailboats have to move to the outside or neighbor islands in the weekends when the supply ship arrives. It's quite a walk from the dinghy dock to the village on this island, and you have to walk around the entire bay. As sailors that have spent so many days at sea, a little bit walking does not hurt, and we even enjoy the fact we finally can move our bodies a bit again. Staying in shape is probably one of the biggest challenges with this lifestyle. The cash machine did not work?
No, cash machine did not work. No money. So let's find a bank.
So I'll try to check in first and see if we can pay with dollar or if we have to find cash elsewhere. Coming from the Caribbean and especially Panama before Polynesia, one of the things that really stand out is how clean it is. No garbage and so nice and tidy everywhere. Not to forget super friendly, welcoming and smiling people. It's really weird how you as a world traveler instantly feel the vibe the moment you step ashore. No, how long can we stay?
3 months.
3 months? Only
2 years.
With the boat?
2 years, I think. You must have a visa for.
Turn out the rules for Polynesia has changed since last time not only me but also our new friends checked. When I originally planned my route through these waters, Europeans and Schengen had 2 years stay without applying for a long stay visa. Now we only get 3 months after the passports are stamped. After the friendly and helpful officer had arranged all our documents and stamped our passports, which by the way cost absolutely nothing, we had to go to the mail office and send our clearance papers to the office in Tahiti, and we are done. You just gotta love French way of doing these things. Fast, easy and cheap. Only paying for the mail, that's it. So while the video is uploading down below, we are going in the dinghy and take a tour at the beach. Enjoying the last minutes of the, well, not the last minutes, I think it's still a few hours before the sun goes down. Beautiful day here in this island. The beach here is just amazing, and we have Norwegian neighbors, even a big Danish boat full of Danish guests. And the fun part is that one of the girls on the big catamaran is the daughter of our friends in front of us again. So yeah, we are a lot of Scandi hooligans in this bay now. Ahoy there! Who is having birthday?
Hello.
Happy birthday to you.
It's so much waves and pretty steep beach. We dropped the anchor on the dinghy, makes it easier. She's already in the water trying to get the dinghy in, but
You need.
but anyway, we have the anchor out, and then we're gonna have to struggle to get the dinghy up on this beach. But this is gonna be our place for sundowner and maybe play some cards. It's a little bit deeper than it looks like, but okay. I'm gonna let go and try to swim with one arm. Just look at this beach and the sound. Yeah, can't complain. Life is good. You're welcome. So it's sunset, and what is better than being invited to dinner? In only 19 days, these super experienced sailors crossed the Pacific with their one-off custom-built performance cruiser. That's faster than most sailors manage even from Galapagos to here. They also sailed non-stop from Panama. The total weight is half the weight on B-Free's keel only, just to put things in a perspective.
It's not Easter, but we have lamb in May.
Smells better than Christmas.
Yeah, but like Christmas maybe.
What's going on here?
Here. That's the engine.
Project gearbox. It's always something here, right?
Always something wrong. So never ending story.
What kind of boat is this?
This is Aliena 43.
Yes.
It's a light participant boat. It's only with one.
It's one-off custom built.
Yes. And it's fast sailing fast. It's nice sailing.
Fast sailing.
So
That's nice.
it's small.
Small.
How many make a roasted lamb in a boat?
Some few. So Jan wanted red, so I hope it's red in the middle.
Smaller in the front.
Looks perfect.
But
Yes, it's one thing is very good. It's a lot of storage room on this boat. So it's the storage under the whole bed.
Sorry YouTube, you cannot smell what I'm smelling because that's nuts. So maybe in the future there will be smell on the videos, but this lamb smells amazing. So I can't wait.
Kind of food, and the taste like oh, it was so nice. And we sit there in the harbor there and make this eat this dinner. And they smell this you know, this flower, Tiamare flowers.
flowers.
The flowers from the island, this white flowers, Tiamare. So we can smell this smell, and also this good food. Everything together was perfect.
Very nice.
So that's good.
So it's actually a very good history behind having lamb on board in this bay, huh?
Yeah.
23 years ago, you did the same.
Yes, that's true.
It's amazing.
So
One of
Again, we experienced one of the biggest blessings there is being a sailor, making new friends all over the world, and this time someone that basically lived 20 minutes from my home in Norway. And for Jean to experience the real Norwegian hospitality I've been bragging about ever since she stepped on board. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. All the best from us, and be free!